Hi, hello, good morning, namaste, adab. Ellarku vanakkam, namaskara. In this video, we are going to just revise the SQL queries and all. What is meant by SQL? What is MySQL? What is database data and some commands and all. Actually, in our channel, we used to put like each day one. What I can say that YouTube short, right? So we are going to just revise all the things up to where we covered and what we covered. Okay, yeah. In the first day itself, we saw about what is SQL, the purpose and process and the requirements and all. If you yeah, I am seeing in my book and telling you, because the reference should be correct, right? Yeah. After that, we covered what is data, database, and with examples and types, like relation database and non-relation database, and what is MySQL, how it will be stored, and with a real-time example, like if we are going to use Flipkart, Amazon, they are going to store your data, na? That data, how we can store in the, sorry, for a practical example, I am telling, in the, what I can say, in the laptop here itself. Okay, in the laptop here itself, in the query or MySQL workbench, how can you do a real-time project, mini project, like the thing is, the question is real-time query to store users data and retrieve the data. Okay, if you are the owner of some, like let it be, or like my own. Okay, my, okay, the, let it be, the app name will be like my app. Okay, in your my app, the users are going to log one by one, right? So that data you need to store and retrieve whenever they want. Okay, so that we covered like with a query and all. And after that, how does MySQL support multiple concurrent users? Just I will highlight the on in the date 12th November 2025. What are all the key features that make MySQL such a large scale application, and what are all the commands in MySQL, and let's and name different type of commands that comes under the types like DDL, DQL, DML, TCL, DCL, SCL. Oh, this much of having yeah. And after in 14th November we created a table, and what is a constraint we understood, and what does primary key and foreign key, unique constraint, check constraint, not null, this and all we covered. Okay, can a MySQL have multiple? Okay, what happens if foreign key constraints is violated in MySQL? How does alter cable command function in MySQL, and how to rename a column, modify the data type, add a constraint in an existing table, and how to delete a constraint, how to drop a unique constraint. And the topics covered on 2nd December 2025 is delete a constraint, drop a unique constraint, modify an existing constraint. And second, on that day only, we the topics covered were drop, truncate, rename table, alter database. And we covered a lot of things like insert, update, delete, perform a conditional update. Yeah, these are all very useful for a beginner. It is not like this video is not about like 1 hour SQL. No, I am just revising shorts, the YouTube shorts, what we covered actually. Okay, how do you perform a conditional selection in MySQL? Yeah, what is the purpose of distinct keyword? Yeah, topics covered. Yeah, it's very helpful. On the day 10th December, we covered like having classes and all, like order by, having by, having class, sorry, having class, order by class, limit class, joins. We discussed what is meant by join classes and all. On the 26th December, we covered what are the operators, use of arithmetic operators, how to use comparison operators, purpose of logical operators, and order by classes we saw on 26th December. And 3rd Jan I wrote how we can sort with multiple columns and order by descending order. This and all I will upload today only. After that, sorting on 3rd January 2026. And yesterday, that is nothing but 13th Jan 2026, I wrote what is DCL, how to grant and revoke. This grant and revoke, na, it is like a very good thing, because grant means we are going to give the permission to someone to play with our data or modify with our data. And what about the revoke, bro? Yeah, revoke is if we are grant the user and we are taking that back, that is revoke. Okay, yeah. From tomorrow onwards, I will continuously posting in this channel whatever we want. And this is all about the video. This is not about 5 minutes SQL. No, this is about revising the topics what we suffered from last 3 months to learn SQL. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.